My name is Shannon Bailey, and I hired the Fitz Law Firm to represent me in a car accident case. I was rear-ended on 59, and it caused significant injuries. So I would say the initial consultation with Bryant personally was what really sealed it for me. He was just extremely knowledgeable and explained to me about how these things work, and he reassured me that he was going to take care of me every step of the way. Because my injuries were severe, one of the challenges was making decisions as far as my care went. And Bryant just always reassured me to make sure that, I did what I wanted to do and what I felt comfortable doing. And I would certainly recommend Bryant Fitz's law firm, just simply based on the care and the consideration and the information that they share with their clients. You're always aware of everything every step of the way. Where we are in the case, what the timelines might look like. So I always felt very informed. Bryant sent me to a vocational expert in Florida, and it was an all-day appointment. Just regarding my rehabilitation and things like that, and what the extent of my injuries and what those injuries would look like over the course of the rest of my life. So it was a very large report that was written about me specifically. I believe that the care that I received was the gold standard of care. From a medical standpoint, I was in healthcare before I became disabled through this car accident. And I was treated very, very well. Rachel Duckman was the attorney that handled my case on a day-to-day basis. I'm sure there was, a lot of consultation with Bryant through it all, but Rachel was just a fantastic confidant. She became a friend of mine through it all. But she's extremely knowledgeable. She is very, very personable. And she speaks in layman's terms. She makes things very easy, and she's a fierce attorney. She's a go-getter, and she knows what she's doing. And she made sure that all of our bases were covered. We discussed what to expect during depositions, not only mine, but the opposition's deposition as well. Rachel's just a phenomenal attorney, and I would recommend her to anybody. She makes me happy inside. She was fantastic. She made something very terrible not so terrible in the end. I would definitely recommend the Fitz Law Firm to any friend or family member who needed representation in a situation like mine.